Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, mentor.
Hey, this boy no go sleep. You make what?
Yeah, thank you.
You will not sleep. So the thing I saw it when the candle closed. I was monitoring it, but because of the time, and I was very cautious. Is it going to make a deep retracement? I want to see the 50 minutes. But from the look of things,
Guys,
the thing is going up.
no,
Timing is not favorable. At things,
durable,
it's having.
but it might pull back when there's 7 o'clock and want to pull back. Yeah, because I've been seeing like on the like M30 the touching candle compulsory.
All right, so let's try and break it down because the candle didn't close. So I'm not seeing an opportunity. Hello? Hello, can you see my screen?
No, we can't see the screen.
Can you see it now?
Okay. Yeah, now you can see it.
Yeah, so on USD so let's see, maybe you. Oh, the thing is really moving. Trading is really tough. You wait. Okay, so let's try and break USD down. So you were looking for a buy this morning, but I think it has moved before us. This was the entry. When it made a pullback, the flip would have been the entry. So let's try and break it down before maybe if it can pull back. The timing wasn't favorable. So the time has changed because of the daylight savings. The time has changed. So when you are entering a trade, you need to be very careful. You've not even got into the pre-lending. So an hour before the lending time, lending is going to start around 8 o'clock. So on USD CHF, looking at doing the top-down analysis, the monthly time frame, you're having a support over here at the monthly time frame. So this is USD CHF. So this is the monthly time frame, the support over here. So looking at the weekly time frame, price has really taken off. So we're having a resistance over here. We're having support over here. So looking at now the various confluences. Looking at the various confluence. Looking at the various confluence and the time frames, we're having weekly to be what? An uptrend. Looking at the daily time frame. So yesterday, who entered the USD CHF? So yesterday we went into profit. We entered the buy. We went into profit for some time, and it's retreat. Oh, the thing I'm not sure you will get it has taken off. So the daily time frame too is an uptrend. So the trend for the daily time frame is an uptrend. Price consolidated for some time, broke out, made a red test. So Friday we entered over here, we got stopped out. So yesterday we had a trade over here, and at the same time it did what? It just came to break even. It moved like 1-to-1 yesterday. So those who entered yesterday, how many people entered yesterday? How many people were on the street yesterday? So if you entered the trade I gave yesterday, let me know. Drop it in the chat box, let me know. If you entered the trade signal I gave yesterday on the stream, let me know. How many people entered a buy? Oh, Charlie, the thing is moving. So the daily time frame too is an uptrend. So I was thinking, need to be very patient. Need to stick to the plan. So these are the various confluences. So when you come to the H4 time frame, if you look left, you don't have any market structure. You get it, you have clean zone looking left. So if it comes to the support and resistance level, so we're having support over here. We're having support at the H4 time frame. And if you watch the support wall, we can see we have multiple. We're having 2 support levels. So we're having one resistance, You get it? So multiple resistance level. The candle has broken through the resistance level. So if the candle has broken through, what are you expecting? If the candle has broken through, what are you expecting? A continuation to the next level. By it happened, price has moved before us. So what you are going to wait for, what you are going to be waiting for, what you are going to be waiting for is for price to make a pullback, if possible. So H42 is an uptrend. So how many people entered yesterday trade? If you entered the buy yesterday, or you guys don't trade live, those on YouTube, you don't trade live, or you are demo traders. You guys are demo traders. That's why anytime you get a trade, you see people leaving. People are demo traders. You don't trade live. So I'm waiting for. So this will be the entry level. At the moment price broke out, maybe the moment it's made a pullback. Okay, so I'm even adjusting. I'm thinking of the distance, my entry, for me to get a better entry. Now the breakout will be another entry level. So Brain, if you are here, if price pull back, okay, if price pull back, I'll be adding positions nowadays, because I know anytime price will break out, no matter what, it's going to get to the entry level.
Yeah, Bami.
Yeah, so for us to get a good entry, you wait for the pullback. Like sometimes you can enter in case maybe it breaks at the beginning stage, but if you start pulling back through, I will add position so that I will get a better entry. So you see this one, it's pulled back to the level. So now you are swimming in profits, right? Or you didn't get better entry. I saw when it broke. But I was thinking, oh, let me go ahead. So I went and took my bath, and I was saying maybe it will pull back because of what happened the other time. The time you entered the GBP USD.
Yeah.
I didn't want something of that sort to happen again.
At the timing, you can wait.
Yeah, the timing. The way it has moved, I'm not sure it will make a pullback. So let's see how the H1 candle is going to close. So I would have been in profit by now. Has moved 5 pips. I would have been in profit by now. Shit. Trading can be annoying.
I just remembered about the WhatsApp here.
Which one?
The same thing.
It's funny. This one. This move. Charlie, so if USDCHF is trending, that means it trends very well.
Very well, and this, I go
Well, miss it to get to this side.
Super seriously.
Why you use big? The lot size was okay.
Yeah. It wasn't really big like the normal one that I will use, because I just entered something. Then I'm waiting for the pullback. But with this one, when it's reached the like the take profit, I'll get something from that.
Yeah. So someone is saying yesterday you didn't give stop. Yesterday I gave out stop loss and take profit, or maybe you didn't watch it. So yesterday I gave out stop loss and take profit or everything. So today we intended to take the continuation, but it's happened. It has moved before us. So it's also giving a good risk to reward, though. So it's also giving a good risk to reward. How Miss price is going to get to this side? If I knew, I should have even entered when it was pulling back on this side. I was thinking maybe it's going to pull back to this side. So let's see, maybe pre-lending session. Maybe let's see if it's going to pull back. Good morning. He said
During the pre-lending session, it pull back when it was like when the pre-lending was
the one or the H1 candle close. When the H1 candle close.
Yeah.
I'm not sure because you haven't. Okay, let's see. If it pulls back, then I will enter. So I'm waiting for YouTube. I'm waiting for a pullback. Then we go in for a buy because it has already taken off. I saw when I was watching when the candle closed. I said, "Oh, let me finish taking." But when I come back, price will just pull back and I'll enter the buy. So the day you enter, the thing is not going to move. The day you don't enter, the thing is going to move massively. Yesterday, the thing just made. So let's see GU. Let's analyze GU and see. So GU is still close on it. It's not. It's still close on the level. Okay, so GBP USD. So GBP USD, looking at the monthly time frame, you're having this rejection level over here. So I think I have to pay attention to the pre-market analysis when the daily time frame close. So these are the various support and resistance levels at the monthly time frame. So moving to the weekly time frame, you're having this rejectional level over here. Moving to the H4 time frame. Moving to the H4 time frame, we're having support over here. So all the time frames are pointing up. All the time frames are downtrend. Sorry, all the time frames are downtrend. So with GBP USD, I think let me check the weekly time frame. So on the monthly time frame, so we need to wait for the H4 candle to close, and we take advantage of. So around 10 o'clock, if the H4 candle close, then we take advantage of. Then we take advantage of the sell. So we need to wait for the H4 candle to close on GU. What's USDC? So it's making a pullback. But I'm not sure it can pull back to this level. So it's left with 6 minutes for the H1 candle to close. So the best entry would have been here. Side. I've been in profit by. It has moved like 10 pips. So let's see, maybe if you can get a pullback. If you get a pullback, I'll enter. But it's having a good risk to reward. I'm not sure if this candle will pull back. So you see one thing about if a trade moves before me, I just learn from the trade. You get it? I just learn from the trade. I'm not. It gives me confidence that my strategy works. You get it? It gives me confidence that my strategy works. So let's see if the H1 candle is going to make a pullback. The moment it starts pulling back, Let me check my stop loss and those things. I'll start adding positions. So I would love to see it pull back, because you're having the H1 candle over here. This H1, the H4 rejectional level. So if it starts pulling back to that side, so the stop loss is going to be, at least even if it pulls back to the side. So let's say 15 pips stop loss. 15 pips.
Is it a football, bro?
Yeah. I want the H1 candle to close.
Okay.
Okay, it's pulling back. I think I can add position.
Want to carry enter?
Yeah. But
If you enter there,
I've not
are
entered
you
it.
waiting for the?
Yeah, I wanted to wait for the H1. I want to wait for the H1 because I would love price to come to this side. That's the right, like this side. If I'm going to get something like that, I'll be very glad about it.
Okay.
Yeah, so it's pulling back. If you move to there, yeah. So it's left to 2 minutes. Maybe I'll be doing it. I wanted to do it dynamics. Things are moving. I don't want to enter it at a very high price. It's moving. I want it to come down small, then I'll enter small. You've added another positions.
I wanted to like enter it on the profile. That's why like
I want price to pull back. Is it going to be possible? Is it going to do it for me? Is it going to do it for me?
But the level which is a pull back there, I think.
Yeah, like I was checking the lot size I will use, so I should have even given some position over here.
Yeah.
I think the price is okay. It is still high for me. I want to get a good price.
Still high, dude. Still high.
I want to get a good price. See, the logical distance here.
You see, yeah. Still high.
So let's see, maybe this candle will pull back. Is it going to pull back or is it going to take off? It has taken off.
So if you do that, Eric, so definitely take it to pull back.
It's not
great, Eric. Promise.
I want it to pull back, pull back, pull back. It has taken off. Fuck. I didn't enter yet. That's taken off. It just took off. It just took off. Just took off. I want to see it. Like, I want to get a good price. If price has got get to the side. This side, I see it to be too high for me. Oh, the price was okay. So let's hope maybe if it pulls back, then sometimes buying at a high price, when price starts pulling back, you see before price will get your break-even point, then
Pulling back at the trade Eric. So the promise you get by the entry at that place, it's coming to that particular side here to be kind of
where
I think the
I want it to make a deep. I want it to make a pullback, very strong one. Then I'll add positions. I think the problem they are giving it to you, like the account they give it to you is like this thing, standard account. So the spread mostly is wide. So if you don't get
okay,
yeah, see the spread is wide. It's not like a commission account. So you need to get
account,
a better entry.
Good price. Okay.
I want to see a pullback. You said you entered?
No. Like on the film, I didn't enter on the film.
I want to see a good pullback. If I enter now, the spread is going to where I'm going to be filled. My order is going to be filled. Is going to be at a very high price. If it is commission with that one. But now it's a standard account, so the spread is. I would love to see a pullback. So currently price is here. So if I enter, it's going to be widening like 2 pips before. So I'll be in the middle of the range. So I would love price to pull back, pulling back. See, it's very high. So from here. So your risk, if you enter over here, your risk reward is. I'd love to see a pullback. Should pull back before. If I miss it, let me miss it. It should pull back. It should pull back. Yeah, it's pulling back. Yeah, this is what I want to see. So I've entered one position. So I want it to pull back more.
On your account.
Yeah,
Okay.
with instant execution. So I entered
I'm still reserved.
as the result. I entered with a small
Yeah.
loss. I want it to
Okay.
pull back more. If it pulls back more, I'll add another position. The spread is even wide. Yeah, I think it's pulling back. The spread is really, really wide. Hey, did I enter sell or buy? Did I enter sell or buy? Yeah, so it's pulling back. So I think I can be adding. If I get another pullback to this side, oh. So I've entered one position. I want another pullback to this side. Yeah, this is what I want to see. So if it pulls back to this side, it won't be bad. So the reason why I didn't enter it earlier is because the pre-lending is going to pull it back. So I want to see a pullback. Yeah, so check the fundamentals. Maybe we have a high impact news today. Hey, I didn't even check it, but I'm not sure we have. The high impact news is going to happen around the New York session, right? Today is Wednesday. Yeah, so the lending session, we don't have any high impact news. The high impact news is going to happen at the New York session. I want to see a pullback. The reason why I said I want a pullback is I want a better price. Okay, you need to buy at a low price and sell at what, a very high price. So since I want to buy, I want a better price. I want a price to come lower. I want price to get to a very low price. Should I add another position or could I? So it's left with two positions for me to enter. I've gotten in aggressively one. So I want, if another entry comes to this side, You are still not in. Brenny.
I went like and it entered on demo. Right, right.
Which
I went to the press for it, right? I mean,
the C trader.
yeah.
That platform, the way is very complex. Eh? If it comes down, the risk reward will, but if you enter here, the risk reward. That's why I wanted it to make a pullback so that I'll get a good risk reward. I think those on YouTube, most of them are demo traders. The lot size I use is not even. I want it to come to this side so that the risk I will get a good risk to reward. I want it to come to this side. But from the look of things, I want good risk to reward. So I want price to pull back. If price is going to get to this side, if price make a deep pullback, I will add the additional positions.
I just involve
Why is it the first one or what?
Yeah.
Is it the first?
See, like, I just told you that I created an account before.
Yeah.
So on the it's two accounts. When I just
Then delete the other one.
Yes, I'm about to get it. I've got a very nice price. I can put I'll be reserved for now.
I think I'm in profit now. You see, so mostly, like if you get a good price, it's easily for you to break even and other stuff. But if you buy at a very high price, you get choked. If you buy, so imagine maybe you bought over here, it is easily for you to just push price to break even then. But if you buy at a very high price, sometimes managing the trade becomes very difficult. Managing the trade becomes very difficult. So I'm very sure this level. So YouTube, how many people entered? If you entered on YouTube, let me know. So I'm in profit now. Imagine you got the entry around this side. You would have been eaten by now. So I went in low risk because I didn't get a better entry. I wanted a better entry, but I didn't get. Because if you check what happened, if you check this level, you're having multiple support resistance levels. You're having one, you're having two, multiple resistance levels. So the chances that if price is even coming back, it's going to retest the stop loss is going to be below structure level. So this is the stop loss. If it break this one, then you are totally wrong. I'm expecting it to continue.
Oh,
Yeah, don't rush to get into the middle of the range. This weekly distance.
yeah. That's one.
That's on. But if you change it, yeah, if you turn it to a line chart, you don't see any levels too. So I think maybe
Yeah.
if you move to daily too, you don't see anything like that. I'm very sure it will be okay. So the first trade, are you in profit?
For the first I'm in profit.
If I knew, but it's not, you need to stick to the plan. I got it around this side. I would have been swimming in profit by now. Some people don't read though. Hey. So let's see, maybe lending opinion is going to bring in some volume. So I hope the profit didn't enter. Even the position, the lot I use is not something it can take me out from my drawdown. It doesn't mean this week I'm not going to cash out. This week I'm not going to cash out. Next week, for cash out 2 weeks. But this trade, if you this trade. But you should have told me.
Monday now I was like,
You didn't wake up early.
And because of the timing now, like me waking up, kind of relaxed, bro.
Yeah.
Kind of relaxed, bro.
The lot size I use is very small. I use 0.1 lot. I've been profit $3. I should. Oh, this one there. How can I'm in drawdown. I need to. I wanted to use 0.3, but I want to go back because to the distance. I can use 0.3, 0.33. the risk management. It is pulling back. But this zone, this point area, I think this zone is the one. So we are waiting for the lending session to bring in some volume. So the volume can be in our favor or it can be against us. So if you get the opportunity for price to pull back to the level you are expecting, I will add the rest of the position to that. So let's see. If it pulls back to the level, if it pulls back, I will add the full position to that. Because since the candle has broken above, so Bernie, if you can see this, you see this setup. Can you see this one? It's the same thing that happened on GBP USD last Monday, but it was a sell. This one, you see the pattern.
Okay.
Yeah.
Exactly. The same thing.
Yeah. Yeah. I study the pattern. So when it happens, I study the pattern. So when it happens, then because I know my entry distance, what I look for before I will enter. So I have to. Your network is bad. You said?
Hello.
Yeah.
It's pulling back again.
You were saying something.
I'm saying that it's pulling back.
Yeah. I'm expecting it to pull back.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay.
I'm expecting it to pull back so that I will add the rest of the loss size to that. I want to see a pullback because since this one has broken, I'm very confident that price will head up to that side. But maybe it will take some time. You will get some consolidations and the rest, but I'm very sure it should go. I'm pretty sure. Because if you watch the H4, this is what gives me confidence. If you watch the H4, this zone, if you change it to a line chart, you can see double, like multiple support levels. 1, 2, multiple support levels.
That's a very strong level.
Yeah. Yeah, so it's making the pullback. So this one, we have multiple rejection levels. Multiple rejection levels. So should I even add another position? I should get a better price. So it's pulling back. It's pulling back. I might add another position. Yeah. Entering over here, the risk reward over here is far better than this side. That's why I'm very slow. I want a good risk to reward. If you enter over here, I want a good risk to reward. Because one thing is what? You've already accepted the risk. You get it? You've already accepted the risk. You've analyzed and you've seen that price has broken. So even if price was over here, we are going to enter. So if price is pulling back, you are by all means going to be in drawdown. So why don't you add the rest of the lot? But because of I want a good risk to reward. I want a good risk to reward. Good morning, happy traders. Good morning. I want a good risk to reward. Have you been able to add the position? Oh yes, so
Like on the normal account.
no, the prop.
No. Yeah, I didn't even enter.
You are reserved.
Yeah.
In my account there is poor, so I'm just I'm condemning it. Over this account they have to get. So far I've gotten the amount I invested in.
Get invested in it, so
Yeah. So the rest is all what do you call it? It is the casino's money. Even if I blow it, I don't. If I blow it, I don't lose anything.
Yeah,
But I have to get more payouts. I have to get more payouts.
But I was seeing like the maximum payout of $400. What I think.
Maximum payout.
No. I think the payout or get reward or profit. I think it's profit.
I've not even read that,
Mm-hmm. $400.
Really. Then I have to
Yeah.
check that one. That means they are going to pay you up to $400 or what? Then they will stop paying you or what? I'll check it out and see.
Okay, all right.
I wanted to get the FTM, but the way things were going, I said I was in drawdown distance. So I said let me get reserved in. But maybe my next payout, I will use it for. And I think I will use it for the FTM because one thing is you need to get more accounts. You need to get more accounts so that if this one is no more, you already have an account. But if you rely only on one and they are no more, you are going to be. That means you are not going to be getting a live account to trade. So that's why I'm very concerned about getting more accounts. So we are waiting for the lending session to open. So it's left with some 26 minutes for lending to open. So let's see, maybe lending is going to bring in some volume, either in our favor or against us. So we are waiting for lending open to bring in some volume. Then we see how the position. So you were still waiting for the pullback so that you will get a better entry, but it looks like price is just doing its own thing. It's not giving us the pullback. It's not giving us the pullback. I don't want to be like you enter in the middle of the rain like at a very high price, and if price pulls back, you are going to be in a deep drawdown. I don't want something of that sort to happen. So you know the stream, you just set it and forget about it, go and sleep. You come then. So the 50 minutes it's making a pullback. So let's see. Because the entry price I was expecting, you see from this side, so maybe we can get price can just pull back to this side again. Price can just pull back to this side again.
Okay.
So from this side to this side, 5 pips. So that's where I would love to add my positions. But the first one is conservative, like just a small risk. But the target is at this side. Since price was able to make a retracement, price broke out. It consolidated for some time, broke out, made some pullbacks. So now it has broken out. So either we are going to be having a pullback or just straight to this one. The same thing that happened over here. So like you need to know. I think it's pulling back. Yeah. So I think I can add another position. Okay. I've had another position.
I'm in.
You are in.
Yeah.
I've had another position. So if it goes back to the side too, then I'll add the rest of the position. Okay. So I think it's making a deep pullback now. Okay. I've had a full this thing. I think this price level is okay. Getting it at this price, the price level is okay. The stop loss is going to be at this side. So the stop loss is going to be at this level. So we are rexing it for what? Rexing it for the biscuits. So this is the stop level price. Close 15 pips or so.
You see that one? I thought the last structure level.
Like this one.
Yeah.
I'm using this one because of this one.
Okay. All right.
So let's say this one entry level. So we are hoping for lending to bring in some volume. So the H1 is pulling back. So we are waiting for lending open to bring in some volume. Because I really trust in this level. These multiple levels, I really have some strong trust in it. That price is going to be very difficult for price to break this level. So the stop loss is so it's making a deep pullback. I've exhausted all my slots. So I think the risk reward is 1 2. So close to 1 to 2. So let's say 1 to 2. 1 to 2. So the risk reward is okay. So let's see if the pair is not going to do a shaggy.
The student stop loss is 0.88159.
0.88159. Yeah.
Alright.
0.88154. Round five. Hey, it is making a deep. Hey, the pullback is crazy. Wow. Making a deep pullback. Wow. So the stop loss is around this level. This is a stop loss.
Okay, all right.
I should have.
We're at a safer zone.
I should have waited. I should have waited for. I would have gotten a good price over here.
Price.
Should have waited.
But the pullback is serious.
Yeah. Let me set stop loss before everything will be wiped out. Before everything will be wiped away. This platform.
Yes, this HF can do a shit. It's the year. Over me stuff from inside. How it's worked that about that zone here. Trying to continue up. Stop loss, take profits, right?
Yeah, so I strongly believe in this level. So I think this price level would have been the best. Getting it at this price level. Hey, what's happening? What's happening? What's going on? Yeah, so the pullback. So if you didn't get the entry early, I think this is the time for you to. It's all about risks. So if you're afraid to risk, you can't. Trading is all about risks. So you don't know which trade is going to go in your favor. So if it aligns with the way you trade, you execute. You don't have to be afraid I'm going to lose. You don't know the trade that is going to go in your favor. So see, last Monday, this trade, who would have thought like the trade will move like this? The entry wasn't like something clear, but it moved. So that's how trading works. Just risks. If it meets your entry criteria, if it meets the way you trade, execute. Don't care whether you've gotten a past losses, you're having a past losses or those things. Forget about it. Execute. Trading is like just throwing the ball in the net. You don't know which one is going to score. Just execute. This trade, Brenny, would you have thought like this trade will move like this? I never thought. Bad entry, but the trade went. You get it. So trading is all about risks. So it's all about risks. You don't know which one is going to go in your favor. So if you lose, come back again, execute. If you lose, come back again, execute. You don't know which one is going to. Most of the times, the perfect entries, the perfect entries doesn't even move well. The ones that you don't even expect it to move is the ones that moves perfectly well. So if it moves according to the way you trade, just execute. So this one fits the way you trade. If you check it, price consolidated over here. All the time frames are uptrend. Weekly uptrend, daily uptrend, H4 time frame uptrend. All the time frames are up. You get it? All the time frames are uptrend. So what it is demanded from you is what price has broken out from the zone. So you were having this multiple rejection levels over here. We were having this multiple rejection levels. Price just broke out from the zone. Okay, what are you expecting? The candle structure too has been broken. If you look left, you have clean zones over here. So why don't you want to execute? It can be a loss, even though everything is perfect. It can be a loss. I don't care. I'm just executing. That's what trading means. So you need to have that mindset. Don't care about the outcome. Don't be attached with the outcome. One thing you need to understand is what you need to get your system. Okay, have a system in place. What do you normally look for before you execute? When all those things are checked, everything is on point, execute. You get it? When everything is on point, you just execute.
So please, now, how many percent will look up on your account before you can pass the first week?
You can do it.
Like a step. Like how many percent taking the app on your account to pass the first step?
8%.
Yeah, the 8%.
Yeah.
Okay.
So when I started out, this was one challenge I was facing. Like I used to get afraid. So is this trade even going to go in my favor? Is this trade even going to go in my favor? By the moment, I didn't even get. I entered it early. It was the last loss size I used. Even if that one wasn't the. It wasn't a good. You got a good. The proper loss size didn't get good entry. The one that it wasn't even appropriate got a good entry.
I mean, profit. Yeah, like all the positions we have.
So that thing usually worries a lot of people. Especially if you encounter one or two losses, then
except my day, the one I've entered earlier on the
you entered earlier. Abi, you were to this thing. So if the trade goes in my favor, I'm just going to sit at the beach and chill. I beg you, please. If you say those things, the market will hear and just come back against you. The market will hear and it will just come back against you. So at the beg, please, market, just listen to us. Just listen to us.
Actually, trade the like when you hold it to the end, yeah.
Imagine you got the entry over here.
That's why.
Imagine you got the
Oh, I
entry
like
over here.
but yeah, I've got it on the another account. Like it's really making sense.
You reach 2%.
Percent.
So you are in profit now.
Yes, please.
This one, if it moves in our favor, we should hold it to the take profit.
Actually, but there is can't affect much when it's
yeah, CPI. Yeah, so before CPI, I will close the trade. It depends on where price is, but it depends. Let's see. I've forgotten you have CPI today. So you still have time for price to go. So that means it broke the H1 low. It broke the H1 low. Yeah, so you don't have to allow psychology to affect you. Have you been facing that challenge? Like sometimes for you, I see your confidence level to be very high. That's what I like about you. So we are in profit now. So lending open is going to start around 7 minutes more for lending open to start. So let's hope the way USD CHF moves, let's hope today it is going to bless us like that. If it bless us like how it moves like this, then we are gone. You're having some rejection level, that hidden line, that hidden distance at the weekly time frame. That's what I'm hoping. Maybe price is not going to struggle for it to break through.
Yeah.
That's the price. You just
but the lobby open is not good. So let's open.
What if the volume counts? What if the volume counts and it's
against us?
It just comes and it's. So YouTube, how many people entered? I think YouTube, those who list my audience are all the more traders. They're all the more traders. So you should hope price will move further. Price should move. No risk, no reward. That's what you need to understand. No risk, no reward. This one can come against me. I don't care. You get it? I don't care. If it comes against me, I'll come again tomorrow. I'll come again tomorrow. You don't give up. So that's the market. You don't know which trade is going to move in your favor. So if you are afraid to execute, see how GBP USD yesterday it's moved. See how it's moved. There was an entry over here. Even it wasn't an appropriate entry, it moved very well. So you don't know exactly which trade is going to move in your favor. You get it? So you need to have an entry plan. You need to have take profit plan. You need to know how you enter the market. That's all. The rest, leave it to the market. Don't care of the outcome. Detach from the outcome. Just move. If it hits you, if you blow the account, come again. Learn how to trade it well. Figure out why you lost that trade. That's all about. That's what I did though. I never gave up. So that's why I always advise beginners to take it slow. Come again. Don't give up. A lot of people just easily give up. That's why sometimes some people become like, for me, if I want to do something, or like, I will never stop. Because one thing I hate people, like, because anytime I like sharing things with people. So anytime I'll tell a friend of mine about something, oh, I want to buy this, I want to do this, and I don't do it, I feel like I'm accountable to the person. So I feel like the person will be asking me why I didn't do it, how far. So I have to make sure I've accomplished it. But a lot of people easily give up. So far, even the Telegram, those times you used to have many people on the Telegram. Now it's only Brainy on Telegram. The rest are all on my break. On my break.
The job, yeah, like when I'm not like determined, it's going to be very hard for you, like, be serious.
Imagine if I got the entry over here, I would have break even by now. If I got it over,
Yeah.
I got one entry over here,
Okay.
but we are still going to hold. So that one,
So yeah, we would.
you need to maximize the best out of this trade.
So when like giving like 3 days now, they said 15 days left. So if today I didn't get 8% of the account, so you can't pass it in.
You can pass it, but you need, like, for the next stage, you need to wait for the days to come to you. You wait for the time to reach before they will give you the next password and those things to go to the next stage.
Okay.
So you got a good trade. You got a good entry. Eh?
Yes, please.
You entered, like, you entered one position or multiple.
No, multiple.
So what were your prices? We are in profit. So I'm very this level might, I should have waited. This level might reach.
So for one position had like I think I entered the 0.2. So now I have like $14 on one and $10 on the other one.
Then you're on profit on the account. I entered 2 positions.
Yeah, 2.
I'm having like 4 positions. I don't know how to even manage it, because when it was pulling back, I was adding the positions. So this side, I'm having 4. So this level, let's hope this level is going to break. So imagine, so the signal I gave in the Telegram channel, I gave out the price that I gave was, I think it was 882. So they got those who entered, those who were on the Telegram, the free Telegram, they got a good price.
Well, yeah, it's true.
Okay, so lending open, lending, you have 53, 52, 51. So this trade should go in our favor because you've suffered in the past. You've suffered. So you see the reason why I was saying you shouldn't be changing. You need to understand your strategy and stick to that. So assuming maybe as I got like 2 losses, I said, oh, my strategy doesn't work.
The study was 1 hour.
You see, you are going to be a gold digger that. So you need to stick to your strategy. Yeah, I said since that strategy has been since that strategy has been able to help me pass my accounts, I'm just going to stick to that. Just make sure I understand it. I'm going to stick to that. Even this trade can come back and you will lose. I don't care. I'm just going to stick to that. If I got the price at this side, I would have. So lending is open. So either the volume is going to be in our favor or against us. We don't know.
Up.
Down. I pull him back. but I'm still holding.
So
This level, this weekly level, is what I'm thinking about. This side. But if you change it to line chart, you don't see any support or resistance. So it is pulling back that level. But you are still going to hold. So you are in profit now. So I think so since the low got broken, the high got broken. So I'm very sure price will still continue up by just making a deep pullback. So you just need to stick to the plan. But if you look at the daily is having clean zone. You get it? Daily is having clean zone, and it has even broken the high. Candle structure high has been broken. Okay. The candle structure high has been broken. If you move to the H42, you're having clean zone.
yeah.
So you just have to. So you have to be detached from. Yeah, you have to be detached from the outcome. Just allow the market to play out. If it comes against us, fine. You come again. I just lose 2% on account. I'll come again. Since you've been able to get a position, I don't care again. The rest I leave it to the market. So it can happen, we can have a flip. It can flip and it will continue up. If you are a trader, you need to have a robot a robot hat.
Robot hat in this way.
Because as you are growing, it will get to some time you are going to lose like $90. I said $90, 90,000, 100,000.
Yeah, it's serious.
Yeah, so if you don't have the hat, then I think you need to we are going to leave you behind. Because for me, I didn't start like that. I started risking 0.01. So now we are growing. So by next year, I might be risking like one lot. This like I've even passed one lot. I'll be going 5 lots. It will get to some time you'll be risking 10 lots. That is when you are going to start going to the vacations at Dubai, going for the vacations at Thailand.
That's the truth.
Yeah, I want next by this year I want to go for vacation.
Yeah, fire.
I want to go. But my first place, I want to go to Nigeria. I want to go and see Nigeria.
Nigeria, a nice place.
Why have you been there before?
No.
I want to go and see their people. So who will be my destination, my host? Those on YouTube, who will be my host? Who will host me? The price is struggling to break through. I trust in lending volume. I trust the time we are in now. The session that I normally don't have trust in it was the New York session. But when it comes to lending I really have some trust in lending both time. So when it comes to trading, you don't know the exact time a trade is going to be in your favor. So you need to always show up, show up, show up, show up, show up, show up. You don't know the exact time a trade is going to be in your favor. So I got one position over here, two over here, and the last one over here. This trade should move, or if it moves, I can recover my losses. I mean, 1 point something. Move, baby. So YouTube, how many people entered? YouTube, how many people entered? So take profit or stop loss. That's the rule for brain.
You understand?
So you see the level is
It's a bit
getting
like that.
so like should we break even when because you see the level? I think I can break even.
Respecting that is still respecting that level.
Okay. This platform. If I'm not careful, you close a position that you didn't intend of closing. So the position that got me, the position that I got a good entry, the first one, I got it around this side. With that one, I will break even. So I have 3 positions from the level is getting rejected, but I'm still holding. I'm still holding. What do you think?
Break even there. That's the safest way that we can go.
Because price coming back, breaking its own low, that means price is going to really pull back. The time that you are in, price coming back and break its own low, you're going to be, that means you are going to either, I think we can break even, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so
definitely like still breaking it.
yeah, so if it breaks its own low, that means it's going, so I'm going to break even in all my positions. How will I even do it? How will I even do it?
Allah. Yahoo.
So I'll break even on my positions. So if price is coming back, so now risk free, you get it, because we are in volume time, and one thing is because of this hidden listing. And if price is coming back to break its own low, the chances that price is going to retrace is very high. I don't expect price to come back to break its own low. This is what time frame? Yeah, the 30-minute time frame. The platform, the way, yeah. So I think where price has gotten to, So we are. This is the take profit. So if price hasn't got into the take profit, we are still in. But you need to break even now.
On the trader, is the trading profit or something?
Is it?
Sorry, trading stop. The break even. Is the trading stop loss?
Nah. So on the C trader, nah. So just click. You see the chart, the line, that platform. The line. If you are not careful, you are going to close the position. So what you? Oh yeah, I've done it. I've closed a position that I didn't intend to close. So with the lines over there, you click on it, you see SL TP. So you just push the SL to above the entry. Are you seeing it? Click on the lines. If you click on the lines, you see SL and TP. So you are in profit. You are in profit. You are in profit. So those who entered, if you want to take profit now, you can. So, but for me, I'm holding to the take profit. If you not take profit, you should come back to entry. I'll break even. This weekly zone might reject price. This zone might reject price. The way things are going, the zone might reject price. But you see, it's struggling to break that zone. The weekly distance. Brenny and Adobia, they are always active. So this is my target. But this level, I'm hoping maybe it's going to break. If it breaks, then he take profit. Have you been able to do it? Brenny?
So yeah.
You've been able to do it?
It buys close.
You said?
But it's like the platform is kind of nicer than even an MT5. Like what you are used to it.
Yeah, it's cool, but you need to be very careful when you are using it. It's very simple, very flexible too. So that level is really, price is struggling to break that level. So for now, I don't lose anything, but I want to at least get to the take profit. Okay, I'm in profit, I can close it and I'll be fine. But I want price to get to the take profit. I'm in profit now. So I want to be a professional trader. So professional traders allow trade to get to their take profit. They don't close trade, just it's pulling back. So I'm now in a break-even level. So I don't lose anything if price comes down. So okay, so this is the take profit. So this is the take profit. So we still have some room for price to fill. What I'm hoping for is the price to get to. So yesterday too, I got 1 to 1 and price came to break even. I'm hoping today you are not going to experience something like that. Hoping today you are not going to experience something like that. So it has started showing a rejection candle. Started giving a rejection candle. So the level is getting rejected. The level is getting rejected. So it is making a deep pullback. It's making a deep pullback. Now let's see. So the level has been rejected, as I said. So the level has rejected price. So you went in profit, you were in deep profit. So this was the entry level price. You were in deep profit and now price is retracing. So you see the hidden line that I gave was a rejectional level at was it at the weekly time frame? So I'm very sure that's why price is getting rejected. That's why price is getting rejected. So you see, the moment
So on GPUSD,
the moment you make your mind that you are going to allow trade to get, yeah, it hasn't broken. You're having a rejection level right, and even the weekly time frame hasn't been broken. So the moment you make your mind that you are going to allow trades to get your take profit, that is when you get right to start just testing your emotions. It will just be retracing a lot. It's sometimes annoying. It's sometimes annoying. But I need to stick to the plan. Take profit and take profit alone. Only. So just pulling back. I'm having one position. I don't know where it is too close to each other. I don't know where to even. So the level has been rejected as we indicated. The level has been rejected. Like the level has rejected price. So it is now pulling back. That's annoying sometimes, but you need to stick to the plan. Take profit or stop loss. That's the plan. That's when you're going to maximize the best from a trade. They just protect my only concern most of the times is what for me to protect myself. If I protect myself, the rest is secondary. Okay, the rest is secondary. I don't care the outcome. If my capital is safe, I don't care of the outcome again. The trade is just got rejected by that level. So just taking a deep pullback. So if you enter the trade, you should have put your stop loss to break even. I think when I send the signal, they even got a good price. They even got a good price. So one thing about this place, sometimes you can get a deep pullback and you can get a deep pullback and price will start going in your favor. So let's hope. So when the 30-minute candle close, so we have 6 minutes for 30-minute candle to close. So the reason why price is getting rejected is at this level. I hope you people are seeing it, but when you move it to line chart, you are not seeing the level well. There's no level over there. You get it? That's why the take profit is at this level. So price is playing with our emotions. Price is playing with our emotions. Is it going to move up? Is it going to get rejected? Is it going to move up? Is it going to get rejected? So you need to always stick to the plan. To get it. Not because price has come back to break even. Like price has come back to break even, so you are just going to ignore the plan of sticking for the trade to get to you. You need to always stick to the plan. Okay, so this one, if we come back to break even, next time I need to allow it because one thing I've realized is was I'm leaving a lot of money at the table. You should maximize the best out of this trade. And one thing is,
To me, like the next time you set break even or something.
I will
Like,
say, I'll always think of protecting myself. That's the most important thing.
okay, all right.
I always
Okay,
think of the rest. When it comes to TP, I will just allow it. But when it comes to protecting my capital, that's what comes first. So I'm always looking for a chance to protect myself, protecting my capital. So the pastors in our midst, please, we need prayers. We need this price to move. Today we need to. So if this trade hits my take profit, I will stop trading for the week. Because my goal for the week is 2% on account. So if I reach the take profit, price is flipping. Ababreni, today is market day.
The market days are Fridays, Tuesdays.
Okay. Price is just playing with my emotions. So sometimes it is good to get a good entry. That's why always I'm concerned about the entry. I remember the last entry I got. It was at this level. Price is not even near close to the price. By the one that I entered first, like the price is the first one is 88.82. 88.82. Yeah, so around this side, you get the first one I entered was around this side, and the last one was 88.20, 88285, 882888. So you see, I entered it around this side. So now price is here. Price is not close to the level. So that's the advantage of waiting for a good entry. That's what I was waiting for, and the rest is in the middle of this one, between this and this. So let's hope price will get to the take profit. So it's left a few seconds for the 30-minute candle to close. So you guys, I've been giving you signals back to back. Yesterday I gave you YouTube, I gave you signal. Today too, I've given you a signal and it has played out well. So you guys should give a like. If you are here and if you not like the video, kindly like it. But I'm sure many of them are demo traders, so they are not much concerned about what is going on. So the 30-minute candle will be closing. So if it's closed above, it has closed within the level. So let's see. So now I'm detached from the outcome. Anything that will happen, I don't care. Anything that will happen, I don't care. So now it is like something like trailing stop. It is like trailing stop. My stop loss is one of my stop loss is below the candle. So if it breaks, come back and break the candle, and I'm going to be stopped out totally. So the plan is take profits or break even. Move on, baby. Move, baby. Okay. Hey, Richie is in our midst. Richie, how far?
I do. This week I wasted. I was in the meeting.
Okay.
Yeah, when I came, it was already moved. I was upset.
Sorry about that. But have you that place too? Since you are cashing out from that place too, it's okay. I mean, you people are the one who having the money in Ghana.
Oh, see how I see.
People are the one cashing out. One sitting like this, you can take like 5K. You know that you blow accounts like you've not blown account before. FX, you blow accounts like something. So how far with your account?
Yeah, my account
still in drawdown.
Yeah, now I've recovered to that. The fans, they say they are having some challenges with their.
So that's why I told. That's why I told you.
They say they are having some challenges with their server. So the account is offline for now.
You need to go for profit.
It's new though.
Don't waste your time on those people.
Okay. I think there's last. The load of this week, I will be able to this. Hey, come out. As I went for you. Hey, the helmet, I say, put you one point.
So Benny, do you think this trade will move in our favor? Like it will get to take profit? The way they do stuff, but they bore me. It will pull back.
So you get to take profit.
Are you sure?
I just wanted it to like. Oh yeah, sure.
It is making a deep pullback.
It feels like the news where I'm moving earlier. The news are saying at 12 or so.
Yeah.
Okay, and 1:30. Charlie, look. Brother, please. Yes, sorry, the pullback.
You have break even, since you get a good price. Have you break?
Yeah. I'm looking. Yeah. I'm break even.
Sometimes it's annoying, so So one of my position might.
The day you go enter, life is here. The thing with the move. Before you might enter, and I will choose everything.
So one of my positions
might be stopped out.
Has been stopped out. One of them has been stopped out. And now, if you look at the 30-minute, this thing has been broken. One of my positions has been stopped out. So the one that I entered first, my spread has been widening. What's going on? We have one of the position has been stopped out at break even. So that's why I always advocate for getting a good entry price. If you buy it at a very high price, imagine the one that I got the entry over here. So we are still holding. Let's hope maybe to get it TP. Let's hope it will get TP. Sorry, I think I'm tired. Still making a pullback. So what do you think about USD CHF? Trading it, I think, is very hard. Because trading it is very hard.
When we sit and you observe it, moves. Well, that's the problem. Because look at them, Monday week. Take profit is simple. I mean, that's stress. New York versus MOP. Take profit. Wow.
Yeah. So far, the best trade we've gotten on this is this one.
Yeah.
We're just hitting break even for the week, back to back break even like that.
Very bad. But my personal plan is actually stop loss or take profit to break even for the buy.
The first one. The first one.
The first that I've entered. Yeah, tell you.
Abi is a small account.
Because the price wasn't good.
Abi were rushing.
So it's not just for making sorry, or take profit. Part of that. Yes. Making it is big.
You can't break even. The thing was really moving well, and all of a sudden,
It is terrible. Because like at the long run, definitely the value still
move to this side. Be patient. But yesterday you saw the wick. You saw the wick and it just move up again. So maybe something it can happen. It will move. But with this one, guys, as I said, stop loss. Take profit or break even. My this not see. I think watching it even give you stress. You will definitely flip
very
what?
much, very much.
Yeah, watching it, I'm even going to just forget about it and go and do my own thing because watching
What if you just have to go to work?
watching it even gives stress.
I don't want to. And if with the fundamental dynamics square, it that part to do.
CPI, this CPI, it's CPI will be.
But with the movements that came.
You haven't mixed numbers. It's called CPI man by man.
Okay. In yearly monthly and cost CPI.
All right, guys. I think they vex me, so I'm just hopping off. So YouTube, see you tomorrow, same time. I think I've done well. You've streamed like more than 2 hours. At least you've gotten some money this morning. Those who took profit early. With your personal account, you can do whatever you want on it. So, but I read that you are trading prop accounts. Okay, so see you all. YouTube. I'm tired. You have something doing. All right, so see you all tomorrow. Same time. Bye.